Greetings, curious minds. Today, we're delving into the world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on the dynamic duo, Black Walnut and Wormwood. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of their benefits, how to use them, and most importantly, their safety. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Demystifying Black Walnut Tincture. To begin, let's tackle the basics. What exactly is Black Walnut Tincture? Essentially, it's a concentrated liquid extract derived from the hulls of the black walnut tree. This tincture is known for its potential health benefits. Segment 2. The marvelous benefits of black walnut hulls. Now, let's unravel the treasure trove of benefits that black walnut hulls offer. From their rich antioxidant content to the presence of juglone, a natural compound, these hulls are believed to support digestive health, skin wellness, and even immune system function. Segment 3. Exploring the applications of black walnut hull. But what exactly is black walnut hulls good for? These hulls have been traditionally used for expelling parasites, maintaining a balanced microbial environment, and potentially addressing skin conditions due to their tannin content. Segment 4. The synergy of wormwood and black walnut. Now, let's talk about the magical synergy of wormwood and black walnut. Both are revered in traditional herbal practices. When combined, their effects may complement each other. Black walnut's antimicrobial properties could harmonize with wormwood's potential digestion support. Segment 5. Unveiling black walnut and wormwood benefits. What do wormwood and black walnut do together? These herbs are believed to collectively contribute to gut health, potential parasite cleansing, and even supporting liver function. Their synergy enhances their individual benefits. Segment 6. Addressing black walnut and wormwood for weight loss. Weight loss seekers, pay attention. Can black walnut and wormwood aid in weight loss? While these herbs may support overall well-being, they are not a magic solution. Pairing them with a balanced lifestyle is key for sustainable results. Segment 7. Navigating nature's answer, black walnut and wormwood. For those interested in nature's answer, black walnut and wormwood products, you might wonder how to take them. A popular form is the tincture. To use it effectively, start with a small dosage, dilute it in water, and gradually increase. Segment 8. Mastering the usage of black walnut and wormwood. So, how to use black walnut and wormwood? Whether it's capsules, extracts, or tinctures, consistency is crucial. Begin with a small dose, observe your body's response, and tailor your usage accordingly. Segment 9. Ensuring safety. Is black walnut and wormwood safe? Safety first. Is black walnut and wormwood safe for everyone? While they offer potential benefits, consulting a healthcare professional is vital, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, on medication, or dealing with health conditions. Wrapping it up, we've unveiled the potent benefits, applications, and safe usage of black walnut and wormwood. Knowledge empowers us to make informed choices. If you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Stay curious and prioritize your well-being. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, Take care and keep exploring the fascinating world of natural health.